we are going to make a snowflake for refrigerator decoration. For this you need this basic element. The way to make it is to circle around like that until you have a group of 12, and you add one more like that. You push it slightly to the back, and then you can make groups of 3, and with 2 groups of 3 you can make a hexagon. Onto the hexagon we're going to add groups of 4. So you need 6 groups of 4, and you add them like that, and you just keep going around. Just careful though. Oops, this one shouldn't be here, it should be there. It's almost ready. I just want to add a few more basic elements on the outside. Make sure that this little thing goes inwards like that. So at the outside there should be 2 balls. And there we go. A nice snowflake for refrigerator decoration.